Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect with Jandel and grow a garden using an easy method. Many players want to join Jandel's server for special events or unique in-game items. However, directly messaging him is often ineffective due to the thousands of messages he receives daily. The most reliable and straightforward approach is to join his game when he is actively playing. Let's explore the best ways to do this. One method involves using the official Grow a Garden Discord server. First, join the server and navigate to the announcements channel. You might find Jandel's profile listed there. You can send him a polite message, but please be aware that he receives a very high volume of messages. Due to this, the chances of getting a direct reply are quite low for most users. This approach is more about making an attempt than a guaranteed connection. Another option some players try is messaging Jandel on TikTok. You'll need to find his official account, which typically has millions of followers. While you can send a message, similar to Discord, direct replies are highly unlikely for the vast majority of users. He receives thousands of messages daily, making it nearly impossible to respond to everyone. It's better to follow his content for game updates and announcements. The most effective easy method is to actively monitor Jandel's Roblox profile. Open the Roblox app and search for his username. Then, continuously refresh his profile page. When he is playing Grow a Garden, a Join Game button will appear. You need to click this button as quickly as possible. Many players will be trying this simultaneously, so it might take several attempts to successfully join his server.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.